Hello everybody, Maurice here again, A1 Roofing's KangaRoof. It's been a while. We're just coming out of winter. Just want to show you what we're up to, getting ready to do a project for a homeowner here in Columbia, Maryland. And as you can see right now, our porta potty guy is getting ready to put our portage on here. We're going to be here for maybe about a week. But what we're doing for the homeowners, as you can see, they got a flat roof here, and we're going to be doing a tear off and installing some installation for a tapered system in order for the water to be able to drain off properly. So you see, our guys have already started staging the roof. So they just went back to get some more materials here. But yeah, that's what we're up to here today. And so we'll keep you posted on how the project goes along. Okay, over and out.